Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this casino night look in Dress to Impress. So here we are surfing up a Glam Casino Night look that's ready to turn heads and roll the dice in style. So let me show you the steps to create this look. So as for the hair, I'm going to use two wavy hairstyles, this one and also this one. And I'm going to use this brown color for the hair. So once you're done with the hair, you can start making the outfits. So first, I'm going to just go through the women's sections and put on this top and change the color into red. And let me grab this shoe and then I'm going to put on this dress and toggle it into skirt only and change the color into black. Now here I'm going to grab this stockings in here and toggle it into or remove the ruffles, change the color to red and make it opaque like this. And I'm going to grab this leg warmer and change the color into black. Now you can just finish the look with the accessories. So I'm going to put on some jewelry, include this necklace, toggle it into number 2, change the chain to gold and the gems, just make it red. And I'm going to also put on this long earrings. And also these bracelet in here. If you want to, you can also put on this necklace. And that's pretty much it. So this is the final look for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye. Wash.